Do you know? For the space you think you are paying for from your hard-earned money might be different from what you actually get. Let's break it down. To fully understand this confusion, first let's learn the concept of different kind of area terminologies commonly used in real estate in India. RERA carpet area. Rarely people know about this, but RERA Act has mandated builders to sell their housing units as per RERA carpet area only. So, it's very important to understand what it is. As per RERA Act, it includes internal wall-to-wall area and area covered by internal walls but doesn't include any balcony or terrace area, which builders have to mention separately. It helps you to know the internal usable area, like for the same size of units in different projects, more balcony area in a project will have lesser RERA carpet area. It's important to know what general carpet area means, which is the net usable area builder would be delivering to you. This includes the internal wall-to-wall area of a house and balcony or terrace areas also. Built-up area. This is just to know how much your housing unit covers but has little significance as builders doesn't sell housing units on the basis of built-up area. Just for the knowledge, it includes area covered by internal and external wall area, and the area as shown in general carpet area. Super area. Although there is no standard practice followed by builders to calculate it, but they generally include the built-up area of a unit and the proportionate area of all common areas like lift area, lift or tower lobby, staircases, corridor, shaft or ducts, green area, pool, clubhouse and other amenities etc. Now you understand all area terminologies but would be surprised to know that despite mandated by RERA Act, builders are still rampantly advertising and selling their projects on super area in most parts of the country. This somehow creates deception in the minds of homebuyers of buying a larger house, but would be getting much lesser net usable area in reality, due to inclusion of proportionate area of common areas which varies from builders to builders due to no standard practice. You would be surprised to know that builders these days have started factoring the loading as high as 40 to 45% in housing units to deliver just 55 to 60% general carpet area only. So before buying any house, you should always ask builders about the exact carpet area you would be getting, to have clear idea if the same would be fulfilling your needs, and importantly to know the real cost you would be paying per square feet for the net usable area of your house, and can compare with other projects accordingly. For more insights, visit our website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us for similar content and do share it with others who may find it useful.